What if a drone could track you from the sky silent L, without warning, and strike in seconds? This is the MQ-9 Reaper, America's most advanced surveillance and strike drone. But is it just a spy tool, or a key piece in global military dominance? At nearly 11 meters long with a wingspan of over 20 meters, the MQ-9 Reaper is no toy. Powered by a Honeywell TPE 331 turboprop engine, it can fly up to 50,000 feet. Imagine. This drone can monitor an entire city for over 27 continuous hours. But how does it work? It's controlled remotely via satellite by operators thousands of kilometers away. But just how secure is this system against cyber attacks? The Reaper can carry up to 1,700 kilograms of payload, including AGM-114 Hellfires, GBU-12s, and GBU-38 smart bombs. But here's the question. Why would a surveillance drone need this much firepower? Is reconnaissance becoming offensive? And beyond that, these weapons strike from high altitude, guided by laser and GPS. Is this a solution for zero-risk warfare, or does it create moral distance in modern conflict? Reapers have operated in conflict zones like Syria, Iraq, Afghanistan, and more recently, surveilled areas in Ukraine. But what is their true role? Are they psychological pressure tools, or just the eyes of larger military operations? And are nations like Russia and China building their own versions? What happens when two advanced drones from rival powers meet in the sky? With the rise of AI and autonomous systems, will the MQ-9 Reaper soon be replaced by drones that can make their own decisions in combat? Are we heading into a future of fully unmanned warfare? Is that progress, or a threat? Comment your thoughts below, like if this technology amazes or concerns you, and don't forget to subscribe for more high-tech military coverage.